Most of us always skip the credit part at the end of the movie. Likewise, many of us always skip the relaxing part right after the gym or right after the any sort of intense exercises. It is always important for you to relax your muscles right after any sort of intense exercises for you to recover. While winding down at the gym, many of the trainers always teach the flexing exercises to their students, which is always good. The blood flow in your body is very much important right after you put your body under a lot of stress. And what happens when you don't complete the stretching exercises after your gym? Your body will continue to be in stress for a longer time, which is not at all good for you. So that's why it is always important to stretch your body definitely after your exercises. At the same time, you should make sure that your body is completely relaxed after the gym or any sort of intense exercises. In my previous video, I have mentioned about an exercise known as a Shavasana. It is a yogic practice. This practice actually helps you to relax your body after any sort of intense exercises, even if it is sports, gym, or anything, even if you have done with your stressful day. So it will help you to relax your body. In the previous video, I just briefed about this exercise, but in this video, I would like to explain a bit more so that you can practice this exercise in detail at your convenience. So when you have to practice the Shavasana or when you decide to practice Shavasana, find a level ground. Make sure you find a yoga mat or anything which is similar to that. I don't recommend practicing this on a mattress. Better find a yoga mat and lie on the yoga mat on your back. Your head should be facing up. Your both hands should be relaxing beside your hip, resting on the ground. Your legs should be relaxing on the ground. Your toes should be facing up. So when you are in this position, either you can close your eyes or you can still keep your eyes open. But make sure you are not watching any of the digital devices or there is no music playing around. It should be very calm around you when you are practicing the Shavasana. Now, when you are in this position, make sure your breath is normal. If your breath is not normal, I would say, take 3 deep breaths. Breathe inside and exhale it slowly with the complete control on your breath. So repeat this 3 times. See if your breath is coming to normal. See if your breath is under control. In case if your breath is not under control, then repeat breathing for a couple more times. Definitely it comes down to normal. So once you are in a very relaxing position, once you know that your breath is under control, all you have to do is start focusing on your right leg. So when I say that focus on your right leg, you should start from your toes. Visualize your toes, move it couple of times slowly and then start relaxing it one by one. So when you do that, you should feel that your toes are completely stress free. Then focus on your feet. Make sure every part of your feet is relaxed, stress free. Then bring the focus on your heel. Make sure the heel is very relaxed and stress free. Then bring your focus on the shin and all the muscles around it. Make sure it is relaxed too. Until unless the focused muscles are not relaxed, don't move on to other part of the body. Make sure you relax that body part completely. Then move your focus onto the knee. Make sure it is completely relaxed. Then slowly focus on the thigh. Focus on all the muscles around the thigh bone and try to keep it very much relaxed. So how do you know that your muscles are relaxing or your leg is relaxing? Basically, when you do that, when the muscles are going stress free or when your muscles are getting relaxed, you will feel the body is completely grounding. You will actually feel the uh, your muscles are completely surrendering to the gravitational force. So that's how the body parts needs to be relaxed. Once you're done relaxing your right leg, bring the focus onto your left leg. Focus on your toes. Make sure it is very much relaxed. Bring the focus onto your feet. Make sure it is relaxed too. Then bring the focus to your heel. Then make sure it is very much relaxed. Now bring the focus onto your shin, all the muscles around it. Make sure all the muscles around it are very much relaxed. Then bring the focus onto your left knee. Then make sure it is relaxed too. Then slowly bring the focus onto your left thigh. Make sure every muscles around the left thigh is completely relaxed. Then slowly bring the focus onto your hip. Then make sure the hip is completely relaxed. Once your hip is completely relaxed, bring your focus onto your chest. So when the focus is on your chest, inhale completely through your chest. Exhale it as if you have a complete control on the air that you are exhaling. After that, bring the focus onto your stomach. Breathe through your stomach. When you do that, your stomach will go up, and when you exhale, your stomach will come down. So right after that, bring your focus onto your pelvic muscles. When you breathe in, you can easily breathe in through your pelvic muscles. This will happen only once you keep on practicing. But for now, just make sure your pelvic muscles are very much relaxed. So once you relax your pelvic muscles, bring the focus onto your right hand. Focus on your fingers. Slowly move your finger, relax it. Then focus on the palm, relax it. Then focus on your ankle, then relax it. Then bring the focus onto your arm. Make sure all the muscles are very much relaxed. Make sure your elbow is relaxed too. Now bring your focus onto your right shoulder. Make sure it is very much relaxed. Keeping your shoulder relaxed is very much important. So repeat the same thing on your left hand too. So focus on your fingers, then the palm, then the ankle, and then the elbow, and then the arm and the shoulder. Make sure everything is very much relaxed. When you keep practicing this, you will be able to breathe through your hands. So you will do that when you keep on practicing it. Once your hands are very much relaxed, bring your focus onto your throat. Relax your throat, then bring your focus onto your chin, then your lips, then your nose, ears, eyes, your forehead. Relax them completely. Once you do that, you have to bring your focus onto your spine, where it is starting from your neck. So bring your focus onto your neck, then relax. Slowly shift the focus to your spine, and then slowly move down towards your spine till the tailbone. Relax the spine completely. So now when you do that, your body is almost in a complete relaxing position. In that position, you have to breathe slowly couple more times so that you become a sort of cocoon within the energy. You will feel that when you do this exercise. So that is sort of a realization. It cannot be explained when I am making this video, but you will realize when you practice. So be in that position for maybe 3 to 4 minutes. So once you do that, You just have to turn around to your right, breathe 5 times easily, be in that position, and then slowly, with the support of your right hand, come back to a seating position. If you want to close your eyes and do the meditation in that position, you can always do that, or just rub your palm, make sure it is heating, and then bring that heat onto your eyes and then slowly open your eyes. So now congratulations, you have practiced the Shavasana once. So you can do this independently from next time onwards. So this is what I wanted to cover in this video. So I have explained the complete Shavasana and how to do it. You can always do this right after any sort of intense exercises, or even when you want to go to bed. This will definitely give you a peaceful sleep. So thank you for watching my content. If you have any concerns or comments, please comment below. I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.